chores are finally done. Am I taking a break? You better believe her. I'm gonna sit right here and watch JC's Outdoor Fever.
Today's episode, we're going to show you custom carvings. This guy we met alongside the road on M46 west of Edmore. So please enjoy.
This bear, he's so cute.
You can get in here without breaking anything.
Oh yeah, that's all one piece.
And I'm sure you're like every other artist. You're working on a project and you can almost get done with it and break something off, and you're like, oh, how can I redo this or make it my own anyways?
Right.
You know, just make something happen or re-glue it or whatever you got to do.
Or watch the Discovery Channel and start making two-headed turtles.
Oh, that's really neat.
I like the things you don't see every day.
Yes.
There's another two-headed turtle. Two-headed turtle.
No.
Oh,
But when you said the Petoskey stones, there's a lady that would go out every weekend and just find stones and then make lamps out of them, and they'll sell like crazy in the store.
Yep.
You'll have to look him up on Facebook. Look up Wolf's Den, Michigan,
Okay.
Okay.
and then they do a real good job on their page.
That is neat.
That was a pain in the butt.
I can imagine all those fins on the motor and stuff. It's like,
V-twin, I didn't even know what it was. He gave me a little statue of one, like a model. They usually give me pictures of their dogs. In fact, that's what that is. The guy gave me pictures of two wiener dogs and said, make them like my wiener dogs.
so that is a customer?
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah.
Commission. Oh, yeah. Wow, that's gorgeous.
That's sacrilegious. I was in Indiana, and it's actually the guitar tech for Ted Nugent. And he said that his wife liked the Colts and he liked the Bears, and he wanted me to put it on one bench. And I thought they were going to start throwing stuff at me when I was making it, you know?
No, that's a cute little guy. Oh, I love some of this stuff. Oh my gosh, look at that.
Yeah, that was a fun one. It was a 57 Chevy.
As long as you have fun doing it too.
Oh, yeah.
Wow. I know you've been out here for a little while. I see a 937. Is that 937 number you see? I see it on.
Yeah, I kept my Indiana number because I got so many customers there still and client base, so I just kept my cell phone number the same.
Okay.
That was the biggest one I did, 50 feet tall, and it had every Chicago sports team all the way up it.
Oh my.
And the further you went up, the further it went out over a hill. It was like a tree of death.
So it was already there. It was in the ground, and you had to work it. Oh my gosh.
He was an orthopedic surgeon, and his pool was probably 15 feet away from this tree, and I kept filling it up with sawdust. He didn't care. They just kept scooping it out.
Oh.
So we'll worry about it when it's all done.
Yeah,
we'll clean
right.
it out for good, and well, that's fine. Wow.
In fact, this sign's right down here to the left. You'll see it.
Okay.
Got a little sawmill.
Fast. You can do all kinds of names and stuff that hang above, like the entrance of a driveway, and you've probably done something like that before, maybe.
Yeah, big ranch style
Yeah.
signs.
Yep.
Carved a little church, and it didn't burn up, so that was a good thing.
That's funny.
Traded him for a cell phone. They stole him.
Aw.
How many girls kissed that ugly thing?
They love E.T.
Yeah.
Darth Vader. He's awesome. Like the little fox, too.
I still like this one though.
Anubis?
Yeah.
Yeah, I checked that out. I was like, I don't know if you did just do a second one or was it gone for a while? Did you have a show or something? Like,
Yeah, I do
stuff
shows.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, you'll see just all disappear all of a sudden. And then I'll carve it again.
Here's the puppy dogs.
It's
You
a
could-
7-foot Mexican. Confuses everyone. Pancho Villa.
Pancho Villa.
He's a big log.
Giraffe.
Wow. That's elaborate.
She swung perfectly in between the mouth of that alligator like a pendulum.
Whew.
Made that in Ohio at the Carver's Rally in the Valley. In fact, they had guys who had their own show, a carving show that were there. Clint Eastwood's son-in-law.
Yeah. Wow.
Like, man, that's a hard act to follow with
So-
your dad or your
I wonder if they're
father-in-law,
gonna have a
Clint Eastwood.
reality show on. Do they have one?
Yeah, they
Okay.
had one. They actually have to pay. They told me you have to pay like $10,000 just to do it, and you have to have the right ratings, or they don't even let you have it. They don't get paid to do it. That's insane.
Wow.
Yep, that's what that's gonna look like. That guy there.
Oh,
His
yeah.
stick is down. I call it chicken on a stick.
We have bald eagles in the backyard,
Do you?
in the swamp area, on a nest, and
That's I do a lot of custom work too.
the pigs will fly.
Weird stuff. Yeah. That's what I like though. Things you really don't see all the time.
I love your little bears.
Oh, I think bears overall, it's just they're, I don't know, eye catching. A lot of
Yeah.
people love the little bears.
Kind of goes hand in hand with Stame, you know.
Getting into mischief.
That's his little eyeball down there. I put a
Oh
marble.
man. Yeah, see, it's all these little details you just don't pay attention to. You're like,
Right.
well, I did that. I know this. Yeah.
I like it when it tells a story.
Yes.
Put a butterfly on it, it'll sell 10 times quicker.
Isn't
Oh,
that weird?
really?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yoda.
Yeah, I did a lot of Yoda.
It's all those little things. Oh, the eagle, it's pretty good.
I carved him right off the bottle. He's actually stepping on a barrel,
Oh,
and it says said her boyfriend's last name on it or something. And then 5 years later, she calls me back. You got to change it to XXX. I don't have that boyfriend anymore.
Oh.
Yeah.
All right, we'll do that. That's so detailed. You're doing awesome work.
look at this little guy. He's so cute. So cute.
It looks almost like fur on it, the way it's charcoal.
Right.
That's what's so different from his work from some other people. It looks like it's fur. It's the way the texture
Right.
he put on there. It's just like there, you back off a little bit.
Thanks for watching JC Outdoor Fever. Please subscribe. Be sure to check out our Facebook page for exclusive content.
I want to go fishing. I'm going fishing.